Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing DIY that you can recreate for yourself. As always, it's simple, affordable, and easy to make. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this DIY, I'm going to start off with some foam board, and I'm just drawing 6 circles with a bowl that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Off camera, I'm going to use a craft knife to cut out the circles. Once I have all the circles prepared, I'm going to set one aside. That's going to be the top of our project. Next, I'll be using this old candle lid to create a smaller circle on the inside of the larger circle that we just drew. Next, I'll be using these ice cube blocks from Amazon, and I'm just going to be hot gluing them to the circles. Next, I'm going to use this silver bling strip, and I'm just going to cut it into smaller sections with rows of 2. Right here you see me placing the bling strip around the foam board. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to begin to hot glue the rings together. I added a push light and some fall flowers, and so yeah, this is the first way I styled this DIY. What do you guys think? Now for style number 2. I'll be using this Dollar Tree ribbon, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the bottom of the project. Now I'm just going to cut the ribbon into individual strips. I'll be using this wire to create 4 hoops that I'll use to hang the project. I flattened the wire down, and off camera I added some tape, and right here I'm just going to add some hot glue to secure it in place. And so here's style number 2. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. Hope that you've enjoyed this little DIY. If you have, please subscribe to the channel as well as giving this video a huge thumbs up and hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!